Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about Google Pinpoint. All right, so what is Pinpoint? Pinpoint is a software created by Google that uses AI to search large documents or data sets and even audio files, which we'll talk about later, for keywords to help journalists target specific quotes or sections that they are looking for to do research on. And all of these documents can be uploaded straight from your computer. How Pinpoint helps journalists. So besides what I just said, it also can store up to 200,000 documents on the software alone. So just completely, separate from your computer, it can be stored on Pinpoint itself. It's often used for stories that require large amounts of documents slash data sets, often used with collaborators as well. You're able to share with other journalists and all use Pinpoint together. That was something that Google made very clear on their website was that they wanted people to be able to share these documents and have journalists specifically, which again we'll talk about in a little bit, work together because these documents are huge and need, multiple sets of eyes on them. How does it work? So you upload a document straight from your computer and you type in your term or keyword, and Google uses AI to search the document for the keyword and any related words to your keyword. So on their website, they called this fuzzy matching. I think they used the example of a car, and it looked up, you punch in car and it searched car, but then it also found auto, tires, things related to cars that it will highlight for you. You are able to toggle this function. So if you're just looking for the word car, you will be able to just find car rather than all the other related things. But you also have that option if you would like. It Back to audio, it's able to turn audio recordings into transcripts for you, which I think is great. I've been doing interviews all semester for different projects, and I hate having to shift through my audio recordings to try to find specific quotes or words that I want to include in my story. So it's nice that this will turn that audio recording into a transcript for you, and then you are able to search through that transcript for specific words or phrases through Google Pinpoint, which is pretty sweet. Another thing that's super awesome about this is that the documents are sorted automatically by type and alphabetical order. So that takes care of organization completely by itself. Journalist Studio. So Google Pinpoint is a tool within Journalist Studio. Journalist Studio was created by Google to give journalists a bunch of tools to help lighten the load on reporting. So, in order to gain access to Pinpoint and the rest of the collection as well, you have to send Google a request to be reviewed. On their website, they said that it takes about 24 hours for them to review and get back to you, but that they would get back to you as soon as they could. And I tried to look into sending a request, but I think the university might have it blocked. I'm not entirely sure, but it could also be possible that you need a Google Workspace subscription to access Journalist Studio. Those were the two warning messages that I got, and when I tried to access it, and when I got blocked. But some of the tools they had in there looked really cool, and I won't spoil any just in case somebody else is talking about them. But I highly suggest that if you're interested, you go check it out. These are my sources, and I appreciate you guys listening, and I hope you have a great break.